Traditional inventory management requires a significant amount of time investment in cycle counting and physical inventory counting. Having people reading and recording endless barcodes and box labels located in difficult and sometimes inaccessible places, only to face an inherent risk of manual errors while updating the inventory system. But what if you could give these jobs to an automated drone force? A workforce that can eliminate the tedious, time-consuming tasks in inventory counting so that you can focus on the business. Emergis DroneWare helps reduce inventory write-offs significantly, adding money to your bottom line. A solution focused on automating warehouse inventory tracking, cycle counting, and monitoring to reduce overstocking. Improve your profitability and take the first step towards making your organization an intelligent enterprise with Emergis. DroneWare gives you the ability to plan and schedule automated inventory tracking missions inside your warehouses. Using drones packed with sensors and HD cameras to scan all the bins selected within a planned route, leveraging artificial intelligence to interpret obscured labeling. Providing live feedback on items scanned while highlighting misplaced items, missing items, and empty bins. DroneWare gives you the option to upload inventory results directly to SAP and other ERP systems, eliminating the risk of manual errors. An intelligent enterprise experience powered by Emergis. Become an intelligent enterprise.